welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show how to fix Duolingo app crashing on Android. What you can do is firstly tap on your phone settings. After you tap on your phone settings, tap on apps, tap on app management and tap on search. After you tap on search, start typing Duolingo. Tap on Duolingo and tap on storage usage, and over here you can tap on clear cache. And still if it doesn't work, what you can do is you can update your app. You can update your app from Google Play Store. Tap on Google Play Store, tap on search. Now start typing Duolingo and tap on update. And still if it doesn't work, what you can do is reinstall and install. Press the Duolingo app and tap on uninstall. After you uninstall the app, to reinstall, you can reinstall it from Google Play Store or App Store. If you still have any questions, you can comment down below.